We have nothing else better to do. My boobs are red. Get that. Like, oh my god. Dude, they're like on the wrong side of the road.
Kayla did it.
Why?
Why what?
Why me?
Because it wasn't me?
You have less clothes on than me. I at least have on pants.
That doesn't mean we're gonna... Oh, what does that mean? What does that mean? Because I'm half naked, so I'm gonna run off the road? Because I'm looking at my body?
Why are they stopping? Oh my god. Oh. That was creepy.
I was like, oh my god, dude. There's no worse for getting taken off the side of the road.
Come here.
No,
Talk about my brother.
What about your brother?
Oh, cute couple. I don't know how to zoom. I don't either. Whoa.
What?
What? Crouch. Nice boxers.
Bella.
Why are you moaning? Same thing. Whenever you're walking on.
No, it's not worse, but it's hot. Don't even. You're like, so much work. Whatever.
Huh? No, I'm just saying, like, I walk all around town.
And pants.
Don't you have a truck? On your MySpace it said my truck.
I had a truck.
You had a car. Didn't you flip a car with Kara? And
Damn.
me and Kara are cool, kind of.
Oh shit.
Damn.
That hurt.
And you
Really
make
bad.
fun of me for being...
You're clumsy. That was like a one-time
I
clumsy.
want a pickle so bad.
She wants your pickle.
No, I love pickles. Like, after
Like pickle.
I ate a whole jar of pickles.
It was like a pickle.
Shut the fuck up.
Pickle. You know what I'm saying?
You're implying that I want a penis?
But you do. And just admit it. Damn, you're slow. I don't know. Ask.
You're not gonna kill us, are you? Yeah?
I'm gonna kill you? Why would I kill you?
I had to get some momentum going, trying to run down the road.
Why are we breathing hard?
I'd be like,
Manchester.
yeah.
Anyway, I drive. Ask your mom. Well, ask your mom likes me, your stepdad hates me.
Yeah.
And everybody else is going out there.
What did you do?